I'm told that somebody walked up to the lieutenant governor's desk in the Senate of Pennsylvania and stole the lieutenant governor's gavel and pilfered it and took it to Lebanon County.
Seriously?
And I have come here today to reclaim my gavel. This gavel has my name on it. I don't know if any of you have checked this out. Lieutenant Governor Mark Singal. The truth of the matter is, this is kind of moving and personal for me. I was looking because my uncle, whose name was Rudolph Schoeneck, Rudolph R.S., who has since passed away, made these for me.
Get out.
His initials are on the bottom, so this is an authentic Rudolph Schoeneck gavel, stolen from the lieutenant governor. I'm here to say that you may keep it.
Are you serious? Was it stolen?
No, I don't think.
You said you had a few made, right?
I had a few made, and
Okay.
I would occasionally give them for charity auctions or for memorable occasions, or achieving students or something like that. So it doesn't surprise me that one ends up in Lebanon County.
We know it got here, we don't know exactly how.
Yeah.
There's actually one of these in the lieutenant governor's home right now. The last time I was there, I walked in the front door, and there on the shelf is a lieutenant governor single gavel, and sure enough, the RS was on the bottom of it as well.